Now I'll show you what is inside MI's PAC filter cartridge. It's an old one, so I just broke it out of curiosity to see what is inside. As you can see, these openings have springs, so that if we tilt it, water won't fall unless we press that knob inside. The water won't flow. Okay, and then what we have is a filter. As you can see, it is just a filter wrapped with some kind of a mesh cloth. Let me break it open and then see what it is. Okay, so I broke it open. So what we have inside this is very dark. Very dark. This seems to be charcoal, activated carbon or charcoal. I have to see what is the full form of PAC, but yeah. So water goes through this and gets purified. That's it. Nothing else. Thank you.